Buenos tardes. Good afternoon, YouTube people. Alright, this van is being engine light. I believe the 2008. It is a po420. po420 is the Cadillac. It's not function. So let's go working on that. po420 is the bank one. po430 is bank 2. So on a Honda here, you have firing order is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, for a certain vehicle that they're firing like odd and even, you know, like odd number like 1, 3, 5, and then 2, 4, 6. Like Toyota will be like that, but Honda is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so bank one is back. So 420 is the back. If 430 is the front. Okay, pop this up. Can't really see much in the back here, and you have to go under the car and move the front one. I thought I recorded back here, but which is my camera, did it. Now you can see that if you take this two out, and you have that play. You need to spray a little bit W40 to it so it can get lubricate on that, and will come out much easier. Okay. So now it's the free. I'm using this O2 sensor socket, which is just slide into it. Pretty easy. It's a very loose on that too. Okay, I'm not sure my camera can film it, but I will try my best to see I can film down here. Okay. This is number 12. Another one on the other side here. Can remove it easy. Okay, that's good. I hate some other O2 sensor that very tight and you can't really move it, and sometimes you strip the O2 sensor, all that stuff. So I might be able to pull through here, but let me put my camera down. So I'm going to remove the heat shield so it will create a little bit more room for me. See, I can pull the cat motor out this way. One more in the back. So the 4 bolt holes here. Shoot. So many. Okay. Come on, Honda. Don't put too many things. Okay. came off like that without the heat shield. Whew. And then the top heat shield come off too. Camera can't see down there, but down there is very nasty. It looked clogged up already. So many junk that in there. So no bueno, no bueno. Yep. This is new one. New one a lot smaller, so to get in there won't be that difficult. Actually it is different. See that? Close, wide open. That is different. Okay. The bottom one here, very similar to each other. Okay. See the bottom here, very similar. Okay. But the top is different. Tops are different. Finally, they ordered the right one, which is 2009 to get it exactly. The vehicle is a 2008. So let me show you. See, according to this right here is March 2008. Okay, and the catalytic converter had to be ordered 2009 to get it exactly fit. So I don't understand that why it had to be 2009 to get the catalytic converter for 2008, but you know, normally if like June something like that, then it is 2009. But it's in March, it's a 2000, should be a 2008. Some manufacturer, they probably release in that early to be a 2009. But you know, I in the car business for a long time, and I know that if this is the first model of the Odyssey, then they could be a 2009, but this is not the one like first model of the year. And this is the body, like this one is coming in like a 2005 and above. But somehow if you coming to this point right here, make sure you get from the auto part is that one opening like this one, not like the other one. Okay, alright, time to put it back in there, and hopefully you know how to put it back already. I'm going to install this in, but I probably not install it because this kind of on the way, so I will install when I put everything back in there first before I even slide this in. Push right there. Okay. What you have to do is put the heat shield first before you install this right here. Aftermarket part does not fading very well on that, but hate it. You have to have these heat shields on it. Okay, now I put the heat shields already, and I'm ready to turn this things up. What you have to do, they provide the new gasket. Now the best to go on the top to do it easier than the bottom here. So now time to put this in. Put a short one first. So they do have a new gasket, so just take the old one inside here out. So basically on this right here, it fit right here, but in the front doesn't fit. Either the front fit and that doesn't fit down there. So what you have to do is loosen the top to have a place so you can actually put this exhaust in, okay? Otherwise it doesn't go all the way. So when you lose the 4 bolt on the top, they can fit right here and up here, so you can snap in. Otherwise it don't go in, so you can't really fit this like that, okay? The new nut go with the new bolt, okay? And that can fit inside here too. Okay. And don't forget to put the O2 sensor back in here too, okay? Okay, and the final one is your heat shield that had to go cover the axle boot. To get the heat shield in here, kind of like you have to lose the exhaust manifold to be able to get inside here, but I didn't. Make it a lot harder to just squeeze this one back in here. Towards the end here, I want to go back to what identify your color converter. po420 and po421. po420 is telling you that it's the first cat on a bank one, right? But it does not give you 100% that you are at the cat converter is bad. But if you have 421, that 421 is exactly that you have a bad catalytic converter, okay? So normally you don't really see 421, but you see 420. A lot of people say 420 is an O2 sensor code. I would say likely is not. 420 is mostly, I would say, is a cat converter. According to my personally know, okay, I can't tell you yes, may not, but I would say mostly a 420, it is a cat converter. But if you have 421, is 100% is cat converter, Okay, so that's two different code right there. But 421 is 100% yes, it's a cat converter. 420, yes. Okay, and some people will say no, it's O2 sensor, but I will say yes. Now, to identify was 420 and 430. Now 430 is telling you that it's a bank 2. Okay, 420 is bank 1. So on the Honda, bank 1 is the wall side, and bank 2 is the radiator side. Okay, so at this point here, you probably know already, but I just want to clear it out. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help me subscribe. Okay, bye bye now.